Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox or unbag the Zip HydroTap outlet pump replacement part. Now I have a part here. Is the plastic hose here is broken, and unfortunately I cannot find just a replacement part for this, so they sell it as a whole package that is including the pump. So here we have the pumps included, and the hose go from here to here. So this start to leaks after some time of use, and the HydroTap stop working, so we need to replace that. And while we're here, we might as well replace the pump with the new part. Okay, so in this bag there is a black hose cover. We have the actual plastic hose right here. That's the one I really actually need to replace the broken and leaky hose. But inside the bag we also have the actual pump motor. So that's the pump motor right here. So all of these are actually original parts. They're genuine original parts. Then we have the clip to tighten the hose here. So come with two clips. Get the pump, and then that's it. There's one more hose here, the plastic hose that you get with that part there. That's all you get inside this bag here.